Welcome to our updated guide on how to enable the fingerprint lock feature on WhatsApp. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Next, tap on the three dots located at the top right corner of the page to access the settings. Then select Privacy from the options provided. Navigate to the Privacy Checkup section and tap on it. Select Add More Protection to your account to enhance your security. Tap on Fingerprint Lock from the list of available options. Finally, toggle the switch to turn on the Fingerprint Lock feature. By following these steps, you can activate the Fingerprint Lock on WhatsApp, adding an extra layer of security to your account and protecting your conversations and data. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in securing your WhatsApp account with the Fingerprint Lock feature. Simplify the process and enhance your privacy by following these simple instructions.